Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best handheld mirrors that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEATTI Hand Mirror 1x, 7x Magnifying with Stand. This beautiful makeup mirror from DEATTI gives us the start. This amazing mirror boasts of its high magnifying powers as it has 1x and 7x magnification, was giving a clear reflection with no distortion. You can put the mirror 7 inches away from your face and still get a clear view. In addition to that, this hand mirror is lightweight and portable, thus you can comfortably place it in your carry bag. The handheld mirror has a 5 inches diameter, 6¼ inches frame, and this makes it ideal for makeup. You can place it at any angle you wish, and this makes it beneficial when attending maintenance care and facial exam. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Miss Sweet Handheld Mirror 9-inch 8-inch Makeup Mirror White. Say goodbye to blurred images and huge hand mirrors by acquiring Miss Sweet Handheld Mirror. This lightweight makeup mirror comes with 10x magnification and brags of the non-slip and smooth handle. In addition to that, it is easy to carry and storage as it's a compact mirror that folds into a minor piece. The mirror measures 23 cm * 20 cm, and it's best when you are applying your makeup or shaving your hair. This handheld mirror has a high-quality strong glass that does not break easily. Besides that, it gives off true image without magnification and comes with a 6-month limited warranty that protects it against any fault. At number 3, we have the Danielle Creations Soft Touch 15x Magnification Folding Handheld Mirror. This full-size hand mirror might be what you require to prepare your face efficiently. It is usually a 3-in-1 mirror, hang-up, vanity and handheld, making it perfect for facial hair removal and makeup application. This mirror has 15x magnification and delivers the true image. Thanks to its smooth finish and ergonomic design, as you will handle it quite comfortable. This handheld mirror usually folds flat to have a compact design, thus its travel mirror. In the same way, it includes quality and smooth handle that look elegant all the time. Get it today and you will appreciate its quality. At number 2, we have the Bootyface Lighted 1x, 7x Double-Sided Travel Makeup Mirror with LED lights. Fine-tuning your makeup or admiring yourself is easy with this type of handheld mirror by Bootyface. It's usually a 3rd-generation lighted travel mirror with 10 pieces LED lights. You just need to long press the button and deliver light from dimming to a brighter light. Ordinarily, the makeup mirror has 7x lighted magnification mirror that is perfect for viewing exceptional detail when you are applying the makeups. The unit comes with 2 options for supplying power. You can use 3 AAA battery or USB cable to provide the power. Comparatively, this makeup mirror comes with a compact and firm standing that will meet your different angle. Ideal for work, travel or home use. And finally, at number 1, we have the Trixes Professional Barbers Hairdressers Handheld Salon Mirror with Handle. Offering 10x magnification and true image, this handheld mirror by Trixes Professional is worth considering. It features a smooth plastic handle that makes it simple to use. The dimension of this handheld salon mirror is 17.5 cm width and 20 cm length and comes with a stylish black design. It does not end there, because the mirror is perfect for checking makeup and see their new hairstyle from different angles. This salon mirror can likewise be used for professional or home use. With its smooth plastic handle makes it easy to use and comes with a slot for hanging this salon mirror. As an attractive item, this ensures that it spice up your makeup space or countertops. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.